have task for you to perform. All right, so far I've accumulated $1 on this platform. All right, you can see $1 at the top here. All right, you can see the ads that I've watched so far. Right, you can actually click here, come here to be watching ads. Okay, this is daily task 1, this is daily task 2. All right. Hello guys, welcome to Web3 Classroom, your one-stop classroom for all airdrops, crypto-related posts, and Web3 projects. Click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. Expect more updates like this coming your way. It's like this AdsEVM Web3 wallet mini app is taking these things to another level because they are like introducing a P2P platform where you get to what, buy and sell this token. All right, you mine for free and then you sell it. All right, you mine for free, you sell it to someone that wishes to buy it, and then they like keep buying and selling and buying and selling. That is peer to peer. Wow, this project looks like a very strong project, very reliable project. So you need to take this project very seriously. Okay, got a nice comment. You need to take this project very seriously. All right, now if you check their Telegram handle, let's click on their Telegram. Let's click on their handle. They have 66,500 followers so far. All right, look at their latest post. Make sure you follow them back to back to see what their plans are for the project. All right, they say open AdsEVM wallet. Ads P2p means one person sends and sells and buys to another. Make all now, right? Open wallet. Okay, so they have a bigger plan for this. You can watch their video. You can follow them on YouTube. You can follow them on Twitter. You can follow them on different platforms. They're also on Facebook. Okay, you can follow them up and watch them closely and see for yourself. Right? Make your own research and see for yourself. All right. All you need to do is click on the link in the description of this video, and it will take you to the bot. All right. So here on the board, you have tasks for you to perform. All right. So far, I've accumulated $1 on this platform. All right. You can see $1 at the top here. All right. You can see the ads that I've watched so far. Right. You can actually click here, come here to be watching ads. Okay. This is daily task 1. This is daily task 2. All right. Just watch them. Watch them. Just click on it like this. Click on claim now. Allow it to load, and then you watch this countdown. By the time this countdown elapses, you click to cancel, and then you're good. All right. Don't click anything else, just click here and cancel. Okay, because if you click anywhere else, it might take you to another third-party website. So just click cancel, and then congratulations, you've gotten 0.05 ads for rewards. Right, so click on OK, and then you continue again. Click on claim now again and watch this countdown elapse, and then this one is a 14 seconds ad, and it's going to count down, and then when the countdown elapses, you click the cancel and go back and claim again. So far I've just claimed 2. All right, congratulations. Okay, so other tasks available on this platform are, I've already done a few tasks, but the ones that I've not done are the AdsEVM white paper. You need to read their white paper, right? Every casual project has white paper, so you need to watch them closely. Let's click on the white paper and see what they have there. Okay, they say our ads token listing and AdsEVM wallet white paper are coming soon. Right, stay tuned and we'll announce it on our official page. All right, so stay tuned. They're going to announce it very soon. Okay, so their white paper is coming very soon. So this project is quite early, so this is the best time for you to key into this project. Okay, key into it. You never can tell where your miracle will come from, right? So just key into it and make sure you participate in everything that they are doing. Okay, so let's click on to claim our bonus. Let me go back again, and then congratulations, it is successful. I click on OK, and then you do another one again. So now we need to click on, they say YouTube white paper. I don't know what that one means, so you can actually click on it too, but I don't want to waste much of our time. I'll click on the rewards page. This is the rewards page right here. And okay, so I have checked in twice today. I don't know how come I was able to check in twice today, because I was supposed to check in again tomorrow, but they made me check in again today, right? Because I did it in the morning. Maybe their morning has already begun or something. So I was able to check in. I was checked in 2 days, so I'm going to maintain a streak to 7 days, right? So that I maximize my income. So I have so many scratch cards here, right? I think you get the scratch cards from Referrals. I have gotten so many scratch cards here. I don't know what the scratch card stands for, but let me click on the first one. Scratch your card. Scratch the card to reveal your price. Let me click on the card to scratch it. Oh, they say I should scratch my card. Congratulations. All right, so I'm just clicking on it to scratch this card. Congratulations. Oh my goodness. Okay, right, so I'm just going to okay, I've clicked on that one. Let me click on another one. Scratch your card. Congratulations. I clicked on another one. Congratulations. I click on the next one. So are you seeing what I'm doing right now? So that is how you're gonna work. So that is how you're gonna work. Click on each and every one of these scratch cards. congratulations, and so on and so forth. I don't want to bore you guys with the other details, right? So you already know what I have done here. So I've accumulated extra, right? Extra have been added to my balance. So on the referral tab, you get to copy your referral link and send to your friends, okay? Send to your friends for them to join you on board. Now, this wallet, we're going to talk about this much later because it's not really created a channel for you to for you to withdraw, but you can create your EVM wallet right here. So now let's click to create our wallet. Let's click to create the wallet processing, and the wallet is created for us. This is my wallet address right here. So you can click to open the wallet. Open wallet. Open. All right. So this is the wallet, and let's click on p2p, right? Okay. I think this wallet, okay, you see the send, there is a send feature and there is the receive feature. So you can actually send to someone using this application. This is a mini application, right? Or receive from them too. You can copy your wallet address and send to them. You can watch this YouTube video. This is a YouTube video to find out more about what they are talking about. All right. So guys, that will be it for this particular video, and I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, if you have any challenges, please leave them in the comments and I'll attend to them. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.